I never thought 18 inches would make this much of a difference, but I've never been more glad to be proved wrong. So this is my natural hair, and she's just a little bit too short for my liking at the minute. So today I'm going to be trying clip-in extensions for the first time. I'm going to take one of the 3 clips. I mean, just look at that difference. Are you kidding me? Okay, so for the next section, I just parted my hair directly where my temples are. I went from here straight back. And for this one, I am going to be using the full clip. Time for the reveal, let's see. Oh my god, guys, I'm Rapunzel. That's it. For the next part, I've just gone right above my temples. So I've gone about here and straight back. And for this one, we are going to be using our 3 clip again. I just can't get over how good these look. I mean, I'm sorry. It looks exactly like I don't, like, they're so seamless. As always, start with the middle and then use the other 2. For the next ones, we're going to be doing the 2 clips and the 1 clip starting with the 2 clips. So we're going to place them about there. I mean, guys, did you see how well that's, like, you can't even see it's in my hair, like, it's insane. I mean, again, just look how good that looks. This one, we're going to place it a little bit differently. Instead of placing it straight, we're going to do it just a little bit towards ourselves, so it goes towards our face as like our natural hair would. So you want to find your placement, put it in, make sure it's facing slightly towards yourself, clip it, and then boom, there you go. And just repeat that on the other side. I've just done that one, and we are officially all done with installing them. I mean, are you joking? Guys, they look so good. I'm actually obsessed. Like, I just want this to be my permanent hair now. I mean, like, are you kidding? And the color match. I mean, yeah, let's talk about this color match. I mean, I just, like, can't get over how good they look. Like, what? And this is them from the back. You literally can't even see them. It's insane. I mean, come on. This is my new personality trait. Are you kidding? I was born to look like this, okay? I'm thinking, just so we can truly see how seamless these are, I'm going to put a little bow in. This is a hairstyle I've done so many times with my normal hair, so I'm so excited to see what it will look like with 18 inches. Are you kidding? The difference in the fullness is literally insane. Like, I'm having to remove hair from what I'm collecting, which I never have to do. Okay, so I've clipped. It looks so good. I'm actually obsessed. And look at the back. Like, are you kidding? Just look one more time. What the hell? Bro, the inches didn't just change my hair, it changed the whole vibe. I have a whole different aura right now, guys, honestly. No, I need to stop. I'm getting a bit too obsessed, I fear. This is dangerous. I'm gonna want this forever now, I fear. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. I love it.